Alright guys, oops, I forgot to go back to the first page. Okay, pattern-collections.com is where you're going to find today's pattern focus. I'm going to scroll down to this one. And this one's called Kvet2. So I'm assuming she has a Kvet1 somewhere along the way. This is one by Jana Petrova. If you have not seen her work on the Facebook page, she does these amazing mandalas. Just stunning. I apologize for my voice in advance. I have had some upper respiratory problems due to the fires. Nothing I can really do about it. You know, I know that there will be people who are going to suggest all sorts of things. The only thing that's going to make this go away is for the smoke in the atmosphere to go away. So, you know, it's getting better because fire is now at over 50% contained. When the fire was at its worst, I had no voice at all. So it is actually better. It's just as soon as the particulates are out of the air, I will be able to feel better. So anyway, sort of a organic tile. She has it right here. I don't know if you can find it within her mandala. Her mandala's got a lot of this sort of shape to it, but right here is that tangle that we're looking for right there, right at the ends. Sort of this flowery shape. She's got it also over here in this one, right at the ends. I'm going to do something different, I think. But let's learn how to draw it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make this kind of a loop. Then, building on that loop, we're going to make some petals. Do some feathering, right? Keep going, keep going. And then, once you've got this little shape here, I'm going to do another layer. So go up a couple of petals and come out with a bigger one. And make another layer. And then once you have that, I'm going to do an arch. And then you can put little leaves if you want. You don't have to. And then you can embellish. You can put the cross hatching and little dots and so forth. You can make it as complicated or as simple as you want. I'm not sure I'm going to put the leaves. Haven't decided yet. But what I am going to do is I'm going to do it on a bookmark and give this a go. Close your eyes, everyone. Trying to decide if I want a toned tile for this or if I want just a white one. I don't know. We'll go with that color. And I'm going to start at the bottom and work my way up. And I'm just going to go for it. So I'm going to come here with kind of a loop. And then from that loop, we're going to build like so. And something like that. Then we can make this sort of a shape. I may want to make it a little more swoopy, but so far that's okay. So I'm going to come up from here and I'm going to go under this one. I'm going to go one the other way. Like that. I think I want to emphasize this sort of stem thing. Make it bigger. Like so. I think I want another one coming up here. Something like that. And I've got multiples of those little guys. I like that. I am going to go ahead and put the crosshatch in here, I think. I like that. Do I want leaves? I don't think I do. I think I want to leave it just like that, really simple. A little bit of shading. Something like that. And some white. You know I couldn't do without the white, right? Oh, so pretty. Okay, I need to get myself a little. Okay. VET number 2. There we go. There's my bookmark. I'm gonna kind of turn it sideways a little bit so I can get it all in the picture on my thumbnail. There we go. That was quick and easy. I really enjoyed myself. I might be able to do one more today. You guys have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. Take another drink and I'll be back.